Family Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. Just wanted to talk to you about something that was on my mind. We have to grow up completely as men, and especially as black men, because we have been raised to depend on the system. We have been raised to be fed by the system like a child um, getting milk from his mother's titty. That's what we're like used to. Like they have conditioned us to feel like we got to have them in order to eat good, in order to be nourished. You know what I mean? And I feel like having that mentality is a big setback for us because we get comfortable. You know, we get comfortable at doing it and working for them without investing in ourselves. You know what I'm saying? So you got someone that worked for a company. Let's just say you work for a company 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, and all you have to show for it, you got a house that you don't completely own because you're making payments. You got a nice vehicle that you don't completely own. You're making payments, and you got all this stuff in this home, and you might have 1,000 or so in the bank, and that's it. But you're supposed to be doing this for so long. You haven't invested in nothing to increase your business. All you doing is getting comfortable to work around someone else. So that way, when they say, I don't want to feed you no more, you stuck with bills and responsibilities and all this stuff because you built your whole life around someone else's dream. We got to have our own dream. We got to have our own vision. Now, we can work together with others. You know, it is what it is. It takes money to make money. We got to grind, get a job, whatever it takes. But you got to have a dream. You got to have a vision, man. You got to see yourself outside of where you at. And knowing that certain things that you want, be realistic about it. Knowing, okay, if I want to get here, I'm gonna have to kiss some ass to get this job, or if I want to get independent, then I'm gonna have to go do this. Sometimes you just got to switch it up, man. It is what it is. I mean, true enough, it's a lot of things that I would rather be doing in certain areas, but I stick with what pays. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna have no limitation with how I eat. So I think that that's one thing that most definitely we have to break that chain of having limitations on how we eat, or thinking there's only one way to eat. Man, that's more than one way to eat. We just got to figure out how to eat and eat off more than that one way. You know what I mean? So, but if we don't know, you know what I'm saying, then, hey, what? I mean, man, it's just frustrating sometimes, man. So I'm going to give you the information because I feel sometimes we don't know better. So I'm going to give it to you the best way I can. But you have to recondition how you think, because how you thinking is going to be the main key to you getting to that next level. So a lot of times we think, oh, we need money. It's not money what we need, man. I'm going to keep it real. Our people are perishing for lack of knowledge. We need knowledge. We need knowledge that can transfer to better education, so that way we'll know more about financial literacy, know how to make money, how to start businesses. That's what we need, man. You see what I'm saying? The rest of it is just a facade. I mean, just to look good. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with looking good. I'm not knocking it. But make sure this year, man, we got to be good. You see what I'm saying? We can't be in a position where we constantly got our hands out and hoping that someone feeds us. You see what I'm saying? We got to feed ourselves. We got to be black men. We got to be man and stand up and make something happen, man. Hog on.